Okay, we are in the grid. We can see these two, that is without light. And these two, which are next to DB box, this is with light. You can see there is sensor. It's working when you close. After 30 seconds it will switch off. And one is here on the left side when you enter from main entrance. It's also working properly. Okay. There was small access, which one we got for the access the cable, because we connect from that side, then pull cable over here and connect here, this cupboard. And one access panel was here. We can see that it's closed and painted.